Hi guys, this is Bar from Landbot. Welcome to our new mini-series on how to create a one-click webinar sign-up for your email campaign. So, to give you an idea of what we are going to do, let's start from the final result. Here, luckily I got the webinar invitation and it looks interesting, so I want to save my spot. All looks good. I'm in. And the response is, "You're registered for your next webinar, Barbara. We'll send you a confirmation email to your email address with all the details." So as a user, I was not required to add any additional information. And how did the bot know all this? The secret is in the URL. Here you can observe that the first name here, information was pulled from MailChimp, my name, and then the email variable was pulled from the MailChimp list as well. Hence, the bot didn't need to ask me any of the information to complete my sign. If I were to change this to a different name, let's say Jess Landbot. So, now I'm in, and the new information is in the bot's response. So, you're registered to your next webinar, Jess, and we will send you a confirmation email to your email address at jess@landbot.io. Very easy, very simple, and makes the sign-up process much easier and kind of fun for your user. So I have already created a very simple webinar sign-up flow with the first welcome block giving the basic information and a button to sign up. Next, I have created a condition to check if we have a user's email address. This condition serves to differentiate between users whose information you already have and those whose information you still need to collect. It's very useful if you are advertising your webinar to your users via email, but also online, on Google or on Facebook via paid ads. So the bot knows when to ask for information and when to just say, yes, you are signed up. Okay, so I want the bot to check that if email is set, I want the bot to just go straight to the final message. If it's not set, it will ask the person the basic information. It will ask for the name and the email. Once this is all set up, you need to go to settings and hidden fields. Hidden fields allow you to store information inside URL. So what we want the bot to remember is the email and the first name of the user. We save our bot. Once you have done this, that is all you need to do in terms of your chatbot setup. And all you need to do now is go to MailChimp. Now, I already have a test campaign set up. You need to go and edit the content of your campaign. On MailChimp, like on Landbot, you have a type of variables that allows you to pull information from your user database. In MailChimp, these are called merge tags, not variables, and you can either find out what they are or which ones you can use here in the text editing field, where you can choose email address, first name, agent. If you're using MailChimp, you probably already know this, and this allows you to personalize your email. If you want to know the whole variety of merge tags you can use with MailChimp, you can also just Google it, and then here you have a huge list of all possible merge tags you can use in your campaigns. But as you may have noticed, while Landbot uses @sign and the name of the variable to store information, MailChimp uses a completely different format, as you can. So how do you make these two platforms communicate? Let's go to our URL. Let's go to our webinar URL. So this is the URL of the bot, which you can always very simply pull from here. From LandBot, once you enter your chatbot URL, you can personalize it by adding a question mark and now entering the variables you want the chatbot to remember. So in our case, that is first name, but since MailChimp uses a different name for the variable, we need to associate our variable, our LandBot variable with the MailChimp. So you enter equal sign and enter MailChimp variable. Okay, to add another merge tag or a variable to URL, you simply need to add the and sign and then repeat the same process. So we enter email because that's the name of our variable in LandBot, equal sign, and after, and that is it. Now our bot will be able to pull the data through LandBot from our MailChimp database. We save, continue, and we are ready to launch this campaign. Send now. Okay, here is our new webinar invitation. So I simply go in, I want to save my spot, check out the URL. Here is our question mark, followed by the first name LandBot variable and the data pulled from MailChimp merge tag, which is my name and my email address. However, this is just the first step on our one-click sign-up journey. Next week, I will show you how to create a Zap inside LandBot Builder that will allow you to register the signed-up users automatically on your Zoom account. Thank you very much for watching.